Hey guys! I'm supposed to get my length check today. The little girl ain't here with me. Took my braids down and I re-braided them. This is gonna be the very last length check in this style, and the next time I'll show the length of my hair, it will be reveal day. Yay! I'm so glad. My friend's laughing at me. I'm so glad this is over. No more length checks. No more nothing until the next episode. My friend's gonna pull my hair down for me in the back, and then I'm gonna do my Greasy Baby shot of the front of my hair so we can do a comparison. But I need to shampoo my hair so it can be looser. But I might get lazy and say, oh no, I'm just gonna just spray it down and just pull it down as far as I go. I can get it, but it's not gonna be the full length. I don't know, guys. I'm just happy this journey is over. It's been 7 years, y'all. 7 years of taking care of this woolly wool. It's a great payoff though. So I got it. Step on back. Yeah, if it was wet, I can get it down more extended. Okay, so my friend's gonna get a spray bottle and she's gonna pull my hair down as far as she can, and then I'll figure out how to do the front to get it to do the length check compared to my October's fall Greasy Baby hair challenge start when I first started. Okay. This is not a traditional length check video for me because I'm pretty much over it. I'm done. Oh, also, I'm going to be changing some things in my channel next year because my journey's ending next year and I have to go to doing something different, which I'm happy about that too because I'm tired of doing the same stuff. Alright? So y'all better be ready. If you want to know what I'll be doing, I'm going to have it in the description box under the About Me category. It'll say About Me because I'm going to copy and paste it from my About Me page. Now, it'll probably change throughout the year, but as of for right now, those are the ideas I'll have planned for 2019, so y'all better get ready. Guys, I got all my hair down, and I think I want to go outside. So I don't know, because this lighting is terrible. I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to say, this week is the last week of the Greasy Baby Challenge. The challenge ends on the December 21st or 22nd. So I'll have all the instructions in the description box of when you're supposed to have your pictures in for your comparison. And I'll have the Greasy Baby Challenge video linked to this video so you can listen to everything again if you want to, and read the description box in that video as well so you can have a full understanding about when you're supposed to have your pictures in, your comparison photos, your before and after, and the rules and what time you're supposed to have it in and stuff like that. Okay, so my hair. This is my hair. True. My friends look at me like I'm crazy. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy this is over. All right. I wonder, can I take a picture like this? Maybe we don't have to go outside. Let me get my water. I might need to get my comb too. Is my comb downstairs? Hope my comb is not downstairs. Hold up. Didn't find my comb. I found my Demons brush though. I knew I shouldn't have joined this Greasy Baby challenge. It wasn't a challenge for me to keep my hair braided for 3 months. Tucked away for 3 months. That's what I've been doing for the last 7 years. Oh! Why is that baby crying? I hate hearing babies cry. Let me see if I can get it stretched out. Whew. Ouch.
Did you ever try to suffocate the baby?
Who done suffocated the baby? Let me see, spray it some more so we can expand it as far as we can go. This hair has been braided for 2 weeks, I think. So I gotta really stretch it out.
What else do you need?
This should be a good shot. I hope. Ooh, I gotta step back some more. I think it grew some.
Yeah.
As far as it goes. So I'm gonna spray one more time, just in case it's not fully extended. And then this will be my Greasy Baby challenge comparison. Although today is the 16th. No, today is the 15th. I'm sorry. And I'm doing mine early. I'm doing mine a week early because I got stuff to do. Woo! Ooh. So we're going to put the photo next to this one and see how it goes. Guys, so I'm going to get my friend to do my length check, and she should be in here any second. Bam!
Do not show me.
Oh, she don't want to be seen from the gangster lean. Who is it? Who texting me? Who texting me up on this month? It's Sunday. Christmas?
That you hear that Christmas? That was Christmas.
Oh, I thought that was my phone. Anyway, so she's going to pull my hair down, spray it with water, and if you need to, I got my dimming brush here. If you need to pull it down as much as you can. But she don't want to be seen because she thinks she's...
What did you just do on the side?
You all have seen her before. She's pretty. She's the one that was in my vlog, my Catwoman vlog. And she's been in a lot of videos. You guys just don't probably know it.
Back up, back up.
Oh, back up, back up, back up.
Right.
Can they see the whole length?
You can look.
Ouch.
Sorry. I'm trying to pull. You know I ain't gonna brush because you are so tender here. I cannot stand
Shut up,
you.
please.
Not stand you.
Shut up, please.
I need to wash this little picture.
See,
Mama's
noticing stuff.
helper. Mama's helper.
Okay. Do I need to spray some more?
She's steady stretching because my hair is crinkle, 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 crinkle.
That's my.
Is it saturated real good? Okay. As long as it's saturated real good, you don't want to break. Our hair is so easy to break. Our hair is so easy to break.
No, there's something about here.
Well, a song about it. Like to hear it? Here it go.
Alright. I don't know, you think this is as far as it can stretch? This.
Is it in the camera? Can you see?
You ain't gonna be able to see.
I'm gonna
Go
step
back
up.
some more.
You're gonna have to be in the camera. They've seen you before. They've seen you pretty before. They've seen me ugly a lot of times.
They can see
Jesus
the
Christ.
spot on my hand.
Can they see the bottom of your hand?
Where your hair is, yeah. Step up just a little. Okay, now that's enough.
Oh,
Alright, right there.
you got it. You can pull it, cause you can pull it. Get it. Okay.
You brush. And I'm gonna pull.
Oh no, it don't mean to be brushed no more. Whatever happens, just happens.
Okay.
Dang! You pulled it that far? That felt pretty long. Alright guys, that is it. I don't know how long my hair is, but from the way it feels like it's pretty long. It feels like it's past bra strap, almost.
Definitely.
It's past, where is it, mid-back?
Right.
She says more mid-back. And that's in its kinky state. That's not when it's all the way fully extended with straightness. It's still crinkled up, so hey. So I was going to end my journey like today because I'm just pretty much tired, but I think I'm going to end it next year in December if I can hang out that long with this. I made it this long, and next year I should be full, whatever it is I'm supposed to be at that time. Okay, so if anybody's interested, make sure you subscribe so you can see my big reveal. But if you don't like me like that, because I don't know why you don't like me like that, and if you don't like me like that, you are a gerbil. And come back in a year from now and see my big reveal, because it's gonna be lit and poppin'. Yeah. Alright guys, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Come here, girl. Y'all want to see Shay Shay? Get up.
Southern New Hampshire University can change the whole trajectory of your life.
She's ignoring me. Diddy.
Complete the application within minutes, and if approved, you get the money.
Shay Shay.
With CashNet USA.
There she goes. Why do I need to call you 600 times for you to come and see what your mama wants?
So get that excited about something.
Speak. Okay, well maybe not so much. Okay, you can go. Bye. She said, I'm here now. Now what? She looks so little on the camera. Ooh. I got my...
Look at my face peeking behind me.
Look, don't say nothing. Be quiet. Okay, guys, so... Be still. Put your arms down.
I don't want to see me.
I know. So, guys, be quiet, motherfucker. Oop. Shut up. So, guys, I got my... Put your arm down.
No, put my knees and 2 fingers over your head.
No, I don't want them to know you behind me.
I know. I was just playing.
Okay.